And welcome back to another episode of the Smoothie Cast. This will be episode, I believe, 5? Episode 5, tip 5 on Health Made Easy. And today's smoothie is going to be banana, some greens, and pineapple. That was a fresh pineapple cut and frozen. So let's get started. Boom. We always add water. Do one banana. Oh, snap. Remember now, these are easy, accessible, convenient ingredients. What you need. I don't know, what do you need? I don't want more pineapple. Alright. Now we actually ended up freezing these greens because I was going to eat them in a salad. But I left for a trip, so to preserve it, I froze them. So put like a handful. There you go, a good handful. But we're gonna put these back in the freezer. So go back in the freezer. We're also gonna grab almond milk. Some almond milk in the smoothie. Just makes it a little more nutty, I guess, and creamy. Maybe a little more. Don't forget to cover. We're missing one part of the cover. Son of a gun. I wonder if it was... Uh-oh, we're missing it. I don't like that. We're missing the hole. Well, let's pour it out. And pour it out and see if it's on the bottom. Because we're missing that. I don't know where. Okay, well, it wasn't in there. So now I guess I'll put this all back. Put it all back where it belongs. Well, I'll find it later, but I'll blend it right now. And there you have it. 5-minute smoothie. This is the real Smoothie King with your banana, greens, pineapple smoothie. See ya!